The Miller-Urey experiment support the theory of evolution. The most popular evolutionary experiment has been the Miller-Urey experiment. During this experiment, a mixture of methane, water vapor, ammonia, and hydrogen, referred to often as the pre-biotic soup by many evolutionists, were mixed together and sparks were released to the mixture. Well, a couple of simple amino acids were synthesized as a result. Now, amino acids are the building blocks for proteins. Well, evolutionists often speculate that this is the way that the first building blocks of life were formed. But most fail to point out serious flaws with this belief. Number one, there is no indication in the fossil record that this kind of atmosphere ever existed on Earth. In other words, there's no scientific evidence to support this idea. Number two, that kind of atmosphere would be fatal to life on Earth. No oxygen would be present, and of course that's needed for life on Earth. Now, although this experiment is cited in many textbooks and publications on evolution and is given as a proof for evolution, it is just an experiment that has no real connection to life in any way, or to the theory of evolution as far as that goes. Evolutionists have now admitted this. No experiment up to this point has given even a hint that evolution has occurred or is even possible. Michael Denton, in his book Evolution, A Theory in Crisis, summed it up this way. He said, considering the way that pre-biotic soup is referred to in so many discussions of the origin of life as an already established reality, it comes as something of a shock to realize that there is absolutely no positive evidence for its existence. Thanks for watching this video on the Miller-Urey experiment, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.